Hello, Smarty here. How are you all doing? I hope you're all well. So today I'm attempting a Crackle effect coaster. I decided to go around these edges and just highlight these chunky bits. I think they're like icy bits with the tiny Turner holographic chameleon powders. This is the pink and turquoise. The mould I'm using is from Pouring Your Heart Out. I love this mould, it's one of my favourites. If there's anything you'd like to see me make, please let me know in the comments. I'd really appreciate your thoughts and your ideas. That would be lovely, please. Yeah, let me know in the comments, please. That would be fab. Thank you. Oopsies. I thought I'd sped this up a little bit more. I hope I'm not boring you too much with this, but this part is something I really enjoy doing, painting in the powders. I do enjoy it. All these colours are from Create and Bloom and they're all lovely. Look at them, aren't they fab? What's great with these, all these colours, you don't need much at all. Just a little scraping on your stick and that's it. And they do come out quite opaque as well, which is really cool. Well, this one does anyway. I think it's really pretty. This is a beautiful colour. I love the metallic in it, but spoiler alert, I do kind of lose it, unfortunately, but it is, I love it, absolutely gorgeous colour. I know I don't need to show you mixing all the colours, but I wouldn't have much of a video if I didn't. So yeah, I'm adding a bit more because I just feel it just needs that little bit more. Just gotta, when you're mixing it all up, just make sure you're scraping the sides and the bottom as well and making sure there's no streaks. This is like a neutral colour. It's one of the Grandad collection from creating bloom. I think it's really lovely. Nice and calm. That's what it makes me feel. Okay, so I'm going to pour a little bit of clear resin, make sure it's all over the bottom of the mould. A little bit more for good look, spread it all around. You can't see it, but there is a little bit of something in there. I managed to get it out. So I'm just gonna puddle pour each colour into like the centre. I think looking at it now and remembering, I did too many puddles, I think. But good to know for next time. And a dollop of green in the wrong place. Oh well. Try and dig it out the best I can, but don't get it all, unfortunately. So I just continue to do these puddles, but for next time I won't do as many. I think here would have been a good time to stop really, but I was in my own world and I got carried away and kept on pouring and pouring and pouring. I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers and welcome to the new ones. I hope you enjoy my channel and keep coming back. Please would you like and comment and share if you would like to. I would really appreciate it. So here I realised how much I'd been pouring and pouring, and I put a bit of a clear push in, which really I should have had a larger push and less of the colours. I'm putting in some gold stones in, or no, they're the mixed coloured ones, I do apologise. Just into the centre there, and I do manage to get that stray one into the middle. I don't know, it's not going well, is it? So let's hope for the best and wish me luck, fingers crossed. And here comes a little time lapse for you. Right, it's time to mould. And let's see what's happening here. And here we are. We've kind of lost the neutral colour and the pink, but I'm happy with it. I haven't done many crackles before, so for me, I'm happy. It's an improvement on my previous ones, so I'll try again soon. Love and hugs. Bye bye.